Meet Secret Santa, the app that will allow you to play a fun gift exchange game with your family and friends. The app includes an admin section which is password protected. Once entering the password, you will see all the setting fields. The first one would be the game name that determine the header in the home screen. So now we will change it to my name. If we'll go back to the home screen, we will see that now the header is the Raviv Secret Santa game. Another thing we can determine in the admin section is the end registration date, which will determine until when users can sign into our game and when the fun of the gift exchange begins. The default is for December 10th at 11:59 p.m. We can easily change that, and once we will do that, it will update the system automatically, and that will be the end of the registration date, and the gift exchange will begin. As you can see, the information is now updated. You can see in the gifting time start date. You can clear the date you entered by clicking Clear Registration End Date. The app will revert back to the default of December 10th, 11:59 p.m., and the game of the gifting will start on December 11th at just past midnight, as you can see. You can also see all the users which registered to your game, and by clicking a user, you could see the information of him and who he was assigned to give presents to. You could send a WhatsApp to anyone, an SMS, or call them, and you will see on the map the address. By clicking the map, you will open Google Maps and you can navigate. Additional information you will see is when a user didn't complete his registration, it will appear on top of the users list, so you could delete it. Note, if a user didn't complete his registration, it will create a problem in the assignee process of the app. You must delete it from the Google Sheet. When a user is going to your main screen, he will need to either join or sign in. A new user will hit join. We will complete the form and send it, and then sign in with the email we just entered. Now we are signed into the app. We can see the information on the registration date ends and when the gift exchange begins. Once we receive the gift from someone, we will click the gift tab on the bottom right. We can click the plus icon and add any gift that we got to share it with the other participants. We could also view the gift that other participants received by clicking an item and see what they wrote about it and the image they uploaded. Now we will see what happened when registration day passed. As you can see, the screen has changed, and now we see the person that we were assigned to give gifts to. We can see all the information on the name, the address, the number. We can either send an SMS, call, send a WhatsApp, see if they have any allergies, comments, and of course we can see the address on the map. So we can easily know where to give the gift. We can give one gift or more. So, who's your Secret Santa?